Hello guys, thank you for showing interest in my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to install a Python into Windows operating system. So what you have to do here, so you have to go to the Google, you have to open a Chrome, then go to Google, and here you have to just type a Python here. So if you type a Python here, you will be redirected to this page. So here you can go for the download. So you will be redirected to this page. Here you have to go for the Windows. So all the Windows installation folder you will be able to see. So here you can see all the Windows x86 embedded zip file, then installer and everything. So I'm going to install just download this zip file. So this zip file has been downloaded here. So if we go into show folder, so this zip file I'm going to cut it and paste it on the desktop Python installation folder. So here I have already pasted it. So I have already pasted it and extracted it here. So this is the Python installation. And what next step you have to do here is go to the desktop, then go to the control panel, and you have to add a Python home environment variable into the system. So I'm going to the environment variable section here, and then you have to add a new Python home variable, and here you have to give the path of installation, Python installation folder. So if you just click out here and just paste the path here, so here you can see you have created one Python home environment for variable. So this variable you have to add into the path variable. So if you go here and click on OK, here you have to give the percentage, and in between you have to give the variable name. So if you click on OK, so after that go to the desktop, and here if you open just command line and if you just type a Python here, so you will be able to see the Python command line. So after that what you have to do, so let's check the Python, one of the command of the Python. So I will just type a print hello. So here you can see the hello is printed on the command line. So this is how you can install the Python into the Windows operating system, and you can use the Python. So I hope this video will tell you how to install a Python into the Windows operating system. If you have any queries or doubt, you can ask into the comment section. And please guys like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.